We're gonna have a Nerf gun war. Got my Nerf gun. As you can see, I'm against Bryce Baller. And let's get it. Alright, I'm going to hide. He's gonna go count and he's gonna hide in spot. And then we're gonna hide and then we're gonna play. Alright, see ya. Alright, I found my hiding spot right here. Here's a perfect target. As you can see, that's a perfect target. He's gonna come around. Alright, guys, I'll see you when he comes down. Alright, guys, he's coming. Right now, I got this perfect target. Right there. Alright, here he comes. Like, I'm ready. One hand in you.
See you around here, mother.
Alright, guys. Put you down for a second.
Daddy, you didn't get me.
Vacuum handle. Alright guys, upstairs because you're killing me. Bryce, I told Nick, you can run through, just don't hang out there. Hey guys, not over here.
I'm dead. I think I'm out of bullets.